Hello guys, this is Private Modelling and I'm doing another unboxing video of the British machine gun platoon with 2 machine gun section rifle company. Basically it's a British machine gun platoon and it is early war. This was designed by Battlefront, a product from Battlefront Miniatures, and yeah, you know what all this is. So let's get straight into the unboxing. My order just arrived, obviously. Go and check out the video of that. Really good. Also, this is my second Flames of War, because my first one that I unboxed was them bad boys over there. I already got one primed with German grey. So yeah, here's the figures. I'll take them off and show you them in a minute. And here we have, I'll show you the figures in a minute. Save the best to last. We have 1, 2, 3. This one's messed up. So anyway, we have 4 of the normal stands and 1 general stand. So let's see which one could be the general. The general. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? There he is. I'm gonna call him Bill. Yep. Lieutenant Bill. That sounds nice. So, here we have the figures. We've got the lying down figures. We've got the standing up figures. And we have the machine gun. This goes on, wait a minute. This goes on here. Like that. Like that. And I'll have to go and look on the site, see how they're placed. But anyway, also, we have the Order of Glory. So I've got the War Merit. And the thing, I'm gonna start collecting them actually. 1 minute. 1 minute. So, that was all. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16 figures and 5 stands. So, pretty good. So, yeah. I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing. I'm sure I will enjoy painting these figures. I'm sure I will. Real nice detail in this one right here. Real nice. Also, for Lieutenant Bill, he will have something special added to him. Don't know what, but something anyway. So, this has been Private Modelling, doing another unboxing video. Hope you've enjoyed this. Goodbye.